If you want to use memory card on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then unfortunately you cannot directly put the microSD card into the phone. Usually you can do that with the SIM tray. If you remove the SIM tray, sometimes SIM trays have the microSD card slot, a dedicated one, or there's one shared slot where you can decide if you want to use the microSD card or the second SIM. In this case we have neither. So unfortunately you cannot really use the microSD card like that. As you can see, there is just no way to use it. This is just flat. There is no way to even use the second SIM card. And here we just have the SIM card slot, so we can only use one SIM. So in that case, if you want to use a memory card, then you have to use additional accessory, like for example, the memory card reader. Now, in my case, I have this huge memory card reader, which is of course very inconvenient to use on a daily basis. I mean, it's not really the point to have this connected all the time to your phone and walk around with this thing. But if you wish to have access to the microSD card on your smartphone, or if you wish to have access to the storage from time to time, only when you actually need to open the storage, then of course this is going to be your solution. You can just simply put the microSD card into the memory card reader, and then with the USB-C cable, you just connect it to the phone, and then you have access to the storage. But like I said, I can understand that it is very inconvenient to use on a daily basis, but of course, just in cases where you have to access the storage, then of course this is what you can use. Other than that, there's pretty much no way to access the storage of your microSD card on your Galaxy Z Flip 8. Leave a like and subscribe.